Oh boy, I don't even have my microphone hooked up. We're doing this from the MacBook microphone. So, crypto market is crashing and it's crashing bad right now. Down 3%, back under $1 trillion. You have Bitcoin is down 5% in the last day. We are under 21,000 people. We are under 21,000. Panic is happening, and this is amazing for us for holders. So we did a review yesterday. So you see 20,900. 20,900. Last time we seen that was right here on the 19th. So the good thing is it could have a resistance line right here between 20,600 and 20,900. So we're going to see if it go past and under that, we going down. We going down hard, like hard. So it's going to be interesting to see. That's why I said yesterday, don't buy. I said hold and be ready. And now we're about to have a good buying opportunity on a lot of cryptos you like. Bitcoin is one. Ethereum look like it's probably doing the exact same thing as Bitcoin. Yeah, so it's doing the exact same thing. So same thing I said with Bitcoin. Do the same with ETH. BNB under. Cardano under. So Cardano under 30 cents, a good buy. 30 cents Cardano is a good buy. Polygon Matic under $1 is a perfect buy. Buy Polygon Matic under $1. Take advantage of that. Once, like literally set your buy alerts. So put those alerts in your phone so you can buy some Matic once it hit under $1. So Lana is getting hit the hardest. It really is getting hit the hardest. So I will stay away from Solana right now because that junk could go back down to its $8 level. Shiba, you could buy some Shiba if you want to. I just wouldn't buy too much of Ethereum Classic. We have Crow. Crow is at 6.5. I did a video on Crow yesterday. Oh boy. And yep, we could go under 6 cents. But we got a little bit more to go to be able to make it under 6 cents. I don't think we crashed that hard. Our volume, 12 million. Hedera. You could buy some more Hedera if you want to. It really don't matter the price. Ape. We're waiting for Ape coin to go under $4. Can you get under $4 Ape? That is a buy. If you do find Ape coin under $4, that's a good buying mark. I like that. Quant. You can do Quant under. I like under 105. I don't think it go under $100. 105 is good. Decentraland, Aave. A lot of opportunity, people. Mutable X. Yeah, so we're seeing what's going on. Look like something happened in the stock market. I've been doing sports betting stuff today. Shares of SBV Financial fall more than 50% as tech-focused bank look to raise more cash. Oh, that's crazy. Budget, Biden budget set to cut. Yeah, man, it's a nasty. Bitcoin, Ether fall after gold to crypto bank shut down. So yeah, it's a big shutdown with Silverbank. They announced its liquidation. So the main reason is because of Silvergate. Silvergate is tough. Crypto prices fell Thursday after Silvergate, a bank that has been the center of the industry growth. And they said, hey, we don't got no more money. We done. The slight move lower began Wednesday, a few hours after Silvergate announced it will wind down operations and liquidate its crypto-friendly bank. So, yeah, that news got everybody going crazy. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's go.